Hello, children. Welcome back. This is our second Scratch lesson. And today we're going to do something very exciting. We're going to make our own little game using motion blocks. Now, do you remember what a sprite is? That's right, it's a character we use in Scratch. In this lesson, we're going to use a cat and a mouse. The cat will try to catch the mouse, and every time it gets close, the mouse will run away to a new spot. Sneaky, right? Let's jump in and start building it together. Let's begin by opening Scratch and creating a new project. You should see a blank stage and the Scratch cat already there. But we need two characters for our game, a cat and a mouse. So let's go to the sprite library. That's the little magnifying glass icon. Click on it and search for mouse. Got it? Good. Add it to your project. If you want, you can even upload your own images. But for now, let's stick with the ones from the library. Once you have your sprites on the stage, click on the cat sprite to start coding it. Now, we want the game to begin when we click the green flag. So let's go to the Events category. Drag out the block that says When Green Flag Clicked and drop it onto the coding area. That green flag at the top of the screen is how we start the game. So this block tells the computer, hey, when I click the green flag, begin the game. Next, we'll tell the cat where to start from on the stage. Go to the Motion category and grab the block that says Go to X, Y, and place it right under the green flag block. Now, change the values. Set X to -90 and Y to -10. Why those numbers? Because they place the cat on the left-hand side of the screen, ready to start the chase. Instead of typing the numbers manually into the Go to XY block, you can simply click and drag the sprite to wherever you want it to start on the stage. Once you've placed it in the right spot, go to the Motion category. You'll notice that the Go to XY block now shows the exact coordinates of where you dropped your sprite. Just drag that updated block into your coding area. This way, you don't have to guess or calculate the numbers. The block will already have the correct position for you. It's a quick and easy shortcut. Now, instead of using the Move 10 Steps block to move your sprite left or right, you can also use the Change X by block. It works in a similar way, but it gives you more control. Let me explain. The Scratch stage works like a graph in mathematics with an x-axis and a y-axis. The x-axis controls left and right movement, while the y-axis controls up and down. So when you use Change X by 10, the sprite moves 10 steps to the right because positive x values go to the right. But if you use Change X by -10, the sprite moves 10 steps to the left. Negative x always goes left. It's the same with the y-axis. Using Change Y by 10 moves the sprite up, and Change Y by -10 moves it down. Negative Y means going down the stage. And here's something to remember from mathematics. If a number has no sign in front, like just 10, it is understood to be a positive number. So, Change X by 10 means go right, and Change Y by 10 means go up. Using positive numbers moves the sprite up or right, while negative numbers move it down or left. Simple as that. Next, we want the cat to move when we press the arrow keys. Let's begin with the right arrow. Go back to the Events category and drag the block that says When Key Pressed from the drop-down, choose right arrow. Then go to Motion and grab the block that says Move 10 Steps and place it underneath. This tells Scratch, every time I press the right arrow, move the cat 10 steps to the right. Now, let's make the cat move in the other directions too. For the left arrow, you'll do the same thing, but change the number to -10, so the cat moves left. For moving up, use change Y by 10. For moving down, use change Y by -10. Why are we using change Y for up and down? Because Y controls the up and down direction on the stage. Think of it like an elevator. When the number goes up, the cat goes up. When the number goes down, the cat goes down too. Great! Now your cat can move up, down, left, and right using the keyboard. All right, now let's add some cleverness to our game. Click on the mouse sprite. This time, we want the mouse to always check if the cat is getting close. And if the cat touches the mouse, zip, the mouse should run away to a new place. Sneaky, right? Click on the mouse sprite to start coding it. Begin again with when green flag clicked, just like we did with the cat. That tells the mouse to start doing its job when the game begins. Then go to the control category and drag out the forever block. Place it just under the green flag block. Why forever? Because we want the mouse to keep checking again and again every moment to see if the cat is touching it. We don't want it to check only once and stop, so we tell it keep checking forever. Inside the forever block, we'll place an if-then block also from control. This is like saying, if something happens, then do this. What's that something? We want to know if the cat is touching the mouse. And what goes inside that if? We need a condition that says, if the mouse is touching the cat. So go to the sensing section and drag in the block that says touching sprite now and place it inside the diamond-shaped space in the if-then block. Make sure it's set to check if the mouse is touching the cat. Now, what should the mouse do if the cat touches it? Run away, of course. Now, inside the if block, go back to motion and drag the go to random position block. Put that in there. So now, what does the mouse do? Every time the game is running, it checks. Am I touching the cat? If yes, whoosh, it disappears and reappears somewhere else. Very clever, isn't it? And that's it. You've just made a simple but fun little chase game in Scratch. Now go ahead and click the green flag at the top of the screen to try it out. Use your arrow keys to move the cat. When it touches the mouse, watch what happens. The mouse runs off to a new position. That's the magic of coding. You've just built your very first chase game in Scratch. You've used motion blocks, events, sensing blocks, and control blocks all working together to create something fun. How cool is that? You've learned how to use motion blocks to move sprites, event blocks to start your game, and sensing blocks to make your game characters interact with each other. You also learned how to make something happen again and again using a forever loop. Well done, everyone. You've done an amazing job today. And next time, we'll add even more features to make our game even better. I can't wait to show you even more in our next lesson.
Thanks for watching Kiducation TV.
See you next time.